This is one of the best spots in Lumban, Laguna, ang Caliraya Skypod, kung saan pwede mong i-enjoy ang masarap na pagkain, kape at quality time kasama ang mga kaibigan ng pamilya habang pinagmamasdan ang stunning view ng Laguna Lakes. Dito na tayo sa Caliraya Skypod. Aba.
Nalalilista akong damit para madaling hanapin.
Okay. Located nga lang pala yun dito guys sa may Lumban, Laguna. Along Lumban, Caliraya, Cavinti Road. Medyo malamig nga ngayon dito, dapat pala nakapagdala ko ng jacket. Buti pa to si Bella, naka-jacket. Dati nadadaan-daanan nung namin to tuwing pupunta kami sa Caliraya nung hindi pa siya open. Nakikita lang namin yung place sa tabing kalsada, pero ngayon, second time ko na dito kasamang family except kay daddy na busy. At ito talaga yung rason kung bakit babalik-balikan siya kasi napakaganda talaga ng view.
Bella, smile nga, smile! Flying kiss ka naman. Noon.
Plano lang sana namin na magkape dito, pero since gutom na at medyo paggabi na rin, magdi-dinner na rin kami. By the way, ito nga pala yung menu nila. Go ahead and post the video para alam nyo na yung orderin nyo if ever man pumunta kayo dito. Open sila everyday from 9 AM to 10 PM. At pagdating mo naman sa baba, ito yung makikita mong view. Ang perfect ng spot na to para mag-unwind. At bukas na rin yung mga ilaw ng stage kasi may magigig tonight. Kami nga rin palang food stalls dito sa baba. Pwede kayong mag-snack or mag-dinner na rin habang ine-enjoy yung magandang view. Actually, kahit hindi ka nakakakumain kasi view pa lang busog na busog ka na. Okay. And honestly, this place is even better in person. You really have to be here yourself to fully appreciate the ambience and overall experience. And here's our dinner. Bagnet, beef broccoli, at yung paborito kong sinigang. Natawa naman ako kay Bella kasi habang nagpipray siya, hawak-hawak niya yung bagnet.
Good for yung 5 na yata to, no? Isang platter. Hindi, malapot. May kape.
Makakapi tayo. Oh my gosh, thank you, brother.
Okay.
It's already dark and the lights around the lake look amazing. Parang nasa Tagaytay ka. Pati yung lamig niya ngayon. At may nagla-live band na rin tonight. Before heading home nga, we decided to stop by Highlanders Coffee and Tea, which is just right next to Caliraya Skypod. Like, magkatabi lang talaga. They have a wide variety of drinks, both hot and cold. So whether you're in the mood for a warm coffee, tea, or something refreshing on ice, you'll find it here. May mga non-coffee rin sila. And it's not just drinks, they also have breads, pastries, and cookies. Napaka-cozy nung spot. Perfect talaga para mag-relax. At pagpasok ko ngayon, yung una ko napansin, yung kanilang kakaibang upuan. Masarap din naman yung drinks nila, guys. Christ offers forgiveness for everyone, everywhere. With God, all things are possible. Paano? Ano naman yan?
It's custard.
Nasa gitna. Parang buko pa eh. Cookies.
Umiilang mag-isa sa secretary.
And that's a wrap for our day here. We enjoyed the amazing views from Caliraya Skypod, the beautiful lake surroundings, and even got to relax a bit at Highlanders Coffee and Tea with their masarap na drinks and snacks. It was truly a day full of fun, adventure, and cozy moments. If you're looking for a perfect spot to enjoy nature, good food, and drinks, Caliraya Skypod is definitely worth a visit. Thanks for joining me today and I hope you enjoyed this little journey as much as I did. See you sa susunod na vlog. Bye-bye!